Hello everyone, Kunal this side. Hope you are doing great. Welcome to Bizos by Kunal. And today's topic is that how you can make 50,000 rupees per month from the smartphone with the help of Bizos by Kunal. And this is my personally work experience, my personally openings for you all. And there is no kind of investment in this. So stay tuned till the end of the session so you can get to know that how you can make 50,000 per month with the help of smartphone and complete guidance in under of Bizos by Kunal. Before I start, let me tell about myself. Myself, Kunal Aftani. Basically, I belong from the Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I am a BCom second year student as well as I am a social media marketer too. And right now, I am a financial product seller in Gromo company as well as in One Code, where we sell the products of many financial brands like Upstock, ICICI, Axis, Kotak, and so many others. Now, my earnings proof, I joined last 3 weeks back and I made 24,000 in just 2 weeks because it is really important to know that whatever work which you are going to do, you will get earnings or not. So here's my earnings proof in which I have generated more than 25,000 rupees income in just 2 weeks. Now, who can do this work? If you are a student of no matter college, no matter school, you can do this work. If you are an housewife, you can do this work in part times or full times. If you are in stuck in your rat race of the 9 to 5 a job person, you can do this work. Or anyone who wants to earn extra income in their life. The thing is, what is the mainly work? Now, work is here, so you need to sell the financial products of the different financial brands and you will get earnings from that. Now what is the main thing? Now what are the financial products? Now financial products are the kind of products in which there are the multiple financial brands who wants to sell their products. So instead of marketing by themselves by their own, they will give their product to us as a normal people, and once we promote their product and to the client, once the client buy the product, we will get the earnings from the clients. Now, here is the main question: where we can get the clients, who will buy from us, are we eligible to earn or not, who can buy from us. Every single bit questions will be reply on this session. So stay tuned and watch this session till the end. Now, what we have to do work in the financial product selling. See, there are lots of clients in the market who wants to join financial banking sectors, financial accounts, and lots of the things in on the daily basis for their personal uses. Okay, so we are going to reach that client and we are going to prefer them to sell our financial products to them. So on the basis of that, we can get the earnings. Now, there are many trusted brands in the market, but there are mainly 4 brands trusted which we are going to work with. The main first one is Axis Bank, second thing is Upstock, third one is ICICI Bank, and fourth one is Kotak Mahindra Bank. One, second, and third. These are the banking sector, and then Upstock is not a banking sector, but it is the one of the best financial market in ever, which is already funded by the Ratan Tata. So we can trust easily on Upstock also. Now, what is the joining process of this work? To join this work, you need a PAN card, Aadhaar card in which your mobile number is linked, that is mandatory, and the bank account. But you do not need to share me any of these kind of details personally to me, because these details are very important, very private. You do not need to share with anyone easily and personally. Okay, I will provide you just a joining link. You can join by my joining link and start the work freely. Now, there are lots of common doubts which I have mentioned. So, some of them are which I am going to answer you right now. Do we really earn? Question number 1, the answer is yes, you can exactly earn, as you can see in my payment and earnings proof. Second, is there is any account maintenance charge if we open account from your link? No, there is no kind of any annual maintenance charges. You can do this work for 1 year completely free of cost. After that, if you want to continue this work, then you can pay 15 to 20 rupees per month for AMC. Okay, and till 1 year, completely 1 year, there is no kind of charges. Third one, will any money deducted from my bank if I don't work? No. If you are not going to work, you can simply close the account. There is no kind of money that will deducted from your bank without your permission. How much money we can earn per week? The main question, it is really important. If you are a beginner, you can earn 7,000 to 10,000 rupees in a single week if you are only beginner and if you are doing this work part time. and the full-time results dependent on your hard work. Okay, now how much money we will get per week? Same question again, same thing, 7,000 to 10,000 rupees per week. Now when we will get payout, the payout will be on a daily basis, so you do not need to wait per week, per month for your payouts. Once you start the work, you will get easily payout on a daily basis. Who will provide payment? The ICIC, the Upstock, the Axis Direct and the Kotak Mahindra banking sectors. These will pay you on a daily basis if you work consistently. Now, who will guide us step by step? As you are going to join this work under my mentorship, so it is my responsibility to guide you properly step by step how you can start this work. So the complete guidance will be from the my side. How we will get the clients for the work? This is most important question. For suppose if you join and open your account from my link, but the main thing is how you can get the clients for this work. So for that thing I will completely guide you step by step how you can get the bunch of clients on the daily basis with the immense value from only the social media. And one of the best thing I ever noticed in this work, you do not need to have a laptop, which is not mandatory. You can do this work from your smartphone. Now, do we need to convince any force to anyone for the account opening? No dear, you do not need to force anyone. You do not need to convince any one of the person to for the opening account from your link. Okay, what if I don't like this work? If you don't like this work, then you can simply quit. There is no kind of investment, there is no kind of charges, there is no kind of penalty in this work. Okay, you can freely stop doing this work on the right spot moment if you don't like this work. How do we start? Okay, in the description box I mention my number, so just go through my number on the WhatsApp and message me that I just completed your presentation video and I am interested right now. Share me the joining link so I can start this work. So I will share you the joining link to start the work. Also, if you have any of the queries, feel free to connect me on call or message on my WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is in description. Why to choose Bezos by Kunal for this work? Okay, so there are many of the people's question that why we have to choose Bezos by Kunal for this work. You can choose me because I introduced this work. Second thing, you can choose me because I can help you to generating the clients from the social media, because the mainly role in this work is the client generation. And I am the social media marketer. I know very well and how you can generate bunch of clients on the daily basis and how you can convert them for the financial product selling with the proper ethics and the proper manner, without any convince, without any forcing any everyone. You can do this work easily, so you can create an income for yourself and also you can help others for generating a good source of income. So you can choose me for the personal mentorship and the guidance. Now, benefits are, there are some other benefits for the joining with Bezos by Kunal. The mainly benefit is you can get the weekly trainings 2 times a week, live session that how you can do this work. You can ask your doubts in the live trainings. Okay, proper doubt session will be conducted. Now, for doing this work, there are lots of resources, lots of tools will be required. So I have a bonus for you. I am not going to charge any of the single money if you join by my link. Okay, I will provide you free resources, free tools for the working, so you can do this work freely and earn good source of income if you join by my link. So these are the benefits. Now, the most important bonus for my entire community, entire family, entire every person which is connected to it, to me. Okay, now complete your joining before 12 a.m. tonight and get the roadmap to earn first 20,000 in your first month. Now, now the presentation video is completed. Go to the description box. I have my number, WhatsApp number. Save my contact. Just message me on WhatsApp that I have completed your presentation video. Share me the joining link. Once I provide you joining link, complete your joining before 12 a.m. tonight and get the roadmap to earn first 20,000 in your first month, in which I will completely teach you with the premium live content, which is training completely for free with the premium content, premium roadmap that how you can generate first 20,000 as a beginner in your first month. So here I am sum upping this all the kind of content, all the work details. So if you like the presentation, give the thumbs up, subscribe my channel also, and if you are interested to this work, you are ready, okay, and if you have the complete documents with you and you are completely ready, just message me on WhatsApp that I am interested and share me the joining link so we can start this work better. Meet you in my team. Thank you so much and take care.